Southend-on-Sea on oil cooler, hanging out at the Can't Trust the Italians.
Mr. Highs!
Cheers, mate. Really wide rear wheels. V8 hanging out the front. One of 500. That's an carbon, awesome Cadbury's purple. Okay, you've got to do a burnout before you leave Southend. It's the rules. See? Send it. Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and today you join me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat from Southend-on-Sea on the east coast of England, which has become a bit of a hotspot for car meets again this year. This evening there's a car meet here which is part 3 of the old school versus new school car meets that have been going on this year. But me and Kat have decided to come down here a bit early today to miss the traffic. I've left my cars at home and we've come down here in Lenny, Kat's Mark IV Focus, and yeah, excited to see what cars are going to come out today. Although it is still very early, check this thing out that we just found parked up in the car park. I thought it might be some sort of old Jap car, but it does have Fiat written on the rear quarter panel. But yeah, what a crazy build. Check out the oil cooler, I assume, hanging out at the front. All the livery around it, Coca-Cola Light and Sibby, and just check out that mad dash that's covered with some sort of rug. Really cool wooden steering wheel. We see this Team Inky on another car down there on the way in. Never heard of that group personally myself before, but yeah, more Coca-Cola signage on the back seat. But yeah, what a crazy thing. It's absolutely slammed, sitting on really cool rims, nice deep dish polished things, and yeah, as I say, it does say Olio Fiat on the rear quarter. So is it a Fiat? Is it some sort of old Jap thing? I really don't know, but loving the ducktail spoiler on it as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that thing's an old Chaser. Yeah, don't know what that Fiat means on the rear quarter. Do let us know in the comments if you know what car that is or what Olio Fiat means. I don't know. So my Italian girlfriend said that olio means oil in Italian. Basically. And Fiat is Italian. So maybe that Jap has got Italian oil in it. I wouldn't trust my engine with Italian oil in it. Can't trust the Italians. What has this guy done to this C63S? Here's the other car we saw from Team Inky. I have no idea what this thing is. It's clearly something Japanese. And again, got the oil cooler hanging out the front. Loving the front lip. And again, it's got a mad covering on the dash. Fan in there to keep you cool. Some crazy seat covers. A mad livery. And a bit of a crazy spoiler on the back. Yeah. What a crazy little thing. Again, let us know what it is, because I haven't got a clue. Here's the first classic Ford of the evening. Really cool Mark III Cortina. You all right, mate? Yeah, we saw that down here last time we were here. Normally cruises with a guy in a yellow one, if I remember rightly. How you doing?
How you doing, brother?
You alright?
Yeah, man.
All right, so it's now coming up to 7:20. We've been down here for a few hours, and as you can see from the recent clips, Southend is getting more and more full of super cool cars. So we're going to make our way back down towards where the casino is, which is where we've parked up, and hopefully we'll get a closer look at some of the cars that have come out this evening.
Come on, Marcus.
All right. All right, I want to interrupt this video very briefly to announce the 3 winners of the competitions that we ran in June to win free products from PetrolHeadStyle.com. So for the Facebook competition to win a free Petrolhead Style magnet, the winner was Gary Teds. Congratulations to you. The winner of the Instagram competition, also to win a Petrolhead Style magnet, was Nick Proof Certified. So massive congratulations to you. And the competition to win a Mark 1 Lotus Cortina mug and sticker, which was open to everyone who subscribed to the mailing list at PetrolHeadStyle.com. The winner of that competition was Edward Newton. So congratulations to you. Congratulations to all 3 winners. We will be running loads more competitions in the future. So to get yourselves into those competitions, make sure you're following the Petrolhead Style Facebook page, the Petrolhead Style Instagram page, and make sure you're subscribed to the mailing list at PetrolHeadStyle.com. In other news, we have just launched our brand new collection at Petrolhead Style, which features artwork inspired by the Mark 1 Escort Mexico. And today I'm rocking my own Mark 1 Escort Mexico Petrolhead Style t-shirt. This new design is available in 4 colours, and it's available on t-shirts, sweatshirts and hoodies in a wide range of colours. Also, we've got a huge range of mugs, and the new designs are also available on stickers and magnets. So head over to petrolheadstyle.com to check out the new collection, as well as all the other cool car-themed products that we've got on offer. Anyway, with all that being said, it's back to Southend. Check this out, Mark 1 RS2000. Loving the yellow and blue colour scheme. Cheers, mate. Sitting on a set of Mini Light style rims. Got a really cool blue roll cage in there as well. And have a look what's literally just over the road. The 1600 Sport that went past us earlier. Sitting on the super wide RS rims. And yeah, loving the fishnet Recaros. Love a 1600 Sport, especially in that orange colour. Really cool. Well, this Capri sounded like an absolute beast when it went past us earlier. Proper burbling away. I think it's got a V8 lump in it. Not sure what rims they are, but they look really cool. The ones on the back are ridiculously wide. Inside, got a pair of leather covered fishnet Recaros and harnesses and stuff. Aftermarket steering wheel. It's a fully caged. Got a huge battery mounted in the back, and I think it's been tubbed, which I'm guessing was necessary because of those really wide rear wheels. Check this out for an old school VW camper. Saw this driving down the road earlier with the front windows open. I think this is what they call a split screen camper van. I'm pretty sure these are the ones that are worth money. Love the really simplistic wheels. Probably don't do much in terms of keeping the brakes cool, and I love how clean it looks without any windows down the side. Yeah, proper cool VW camper. Check this thing out, old school Ford T-bucket. Who needs a bonnet when you've got your V8 hanging out the front? Yeah, really cool.
When you got Marcus on the camera.
Check this thing out, sitting in the car park. Beautiful 100E, slammed on its belly. Sitting on Mini Light style rims. Looks like it boasts a really racy spec. All stripped out inside, set of bucket seats and Takata harnesses. It's also caged, and yeah, plastic windows all round, including the rear screen. Do love 100E. There's that really cool X-Pack Mark II Escort RS2000 we saw last time when we were down here. Just stumbled across this Corrado VR6, but it's not any Corrado VR6. This is a Corrado VR6 Storm, one of 500. 250 were made in this green colour with the cream leather interior, and then there was 250 made in a blue colour with black leather interior. Yeah, really rare old Corrado. Not sure if they're the original wheels or not. Check out this crazy 350Z. Loving the Datsun badging on the back. Orion passing through. It's the second one of these I've seen up here this evening. Mark IV Escort XR3i Cabriolet. Love the colour of this. The other one I've seen is black. Check out the half leather Recaro interior. Behind that, a really leery looking Micra with riveted on wide arches. They look like mini light style rims, and it's got a really racy cockpit. Pair of Sparco Sprint bucket seats, or one Sparco Sprint and one motor drive, and yeah, a BGW on the back. Check out the old Volvo. I think that's a 240, showing patina on the bonnet. Saw this really leery Mark V Fiesta pass us earlier on. Love the colour, very Max Power-esque, and looks like it's sitting on Escort Cosy rims. All right, well, after quite a long chat actually with the guy with the yellow and blue Mark I RS2000 and a bunch of people that he was with, it's actually getting on a bit. But yeah, still plenty of really cool cars down here, loads of cars driving up and down the strip here. But yeah, over here we've got not one, but two old school Beetles. Saw this Mini fly past us earlier on and I wasn't quick enough to get the camera out. Loving the wide arches, really cool rims as well. Carbon bumpers, and check out the Sparco bucket seats in there with camo Luke harnesses. Really cool. Very sort of modern looking dash. Yeah, loving the carbon wing on the back as well. And check out the rear lights. They're like very similar to what the modern Minis have. Yeah, loads of really cool details around this. The more you look, the more you see. A really cool Mark II Golf sitting here on the obligatory BBS rims. And check out the really cool Hella front grille on it as well. Next to that, really cool white Mark II MR2. And I can see two more really cool Mark II Golfs. This is one of the ones that went past us earlier with a really cool sort of red livery on it. Loving the eyebrow on the front grille. And just check out the red leather interior. And the cheeky wing on the back. And yeah, another pretty heavily modified Mark II Golf. This time with a gold livery on it. And it's got a pair of Cobra Monaco Sport bucket seats in there with TRS harnesses. I'll check out the Larry shifter. I hope that's coming across on camera. Safety devices, roll cage. Really cool. Cheeky Mark III Fiesta XR2 sitting over here, and yet another Mark II Golf sitting over here. Yeah, I think 3 of those 4 Mark II Golfs are the 3 that passed us earlier on. Yeah, a bit of everything down there as usual. There's a very familiar beige Mordor Mark II that we saw last time we were up here at Southend. Just check out the really cool Pinto setup in the bay, running on side draft Webers. Is a very familiar Mark I Fiesta. I think we saw this down here last time we were here. It's sitting on Escort steels by the looks of it. It's got a Recaro interior. And check out the cheeky rubber boot spoiler. Check out the long roof Mark II Escort Estate with Mark I Escort RS2000 decals on it. It's got the 4 Civi spotlights around the front, loving the lower front spoiler, and just check how deep those mini light style rims are. Got to say as well, check out the awesome pattern on the interior. Reminds me of the Capri 2 litre S pattern. Not sure if it's exactly the same, but yeah, love a long roof Escort. Imagine one of these as a drift car. Imagine all the tyres and tools you could fit in the back if you wanted to take one of these to a drift day. Love a long roof Escort. Another really cool old school Mini. Check out the leather bonnet strap. And next to that, yet another Mark II Golf. Of course, sitting on BBS rims. Well, time has absolutely flown by this evening. We're doing loads of chatting, which I'm always happy to do. It's really cool that I get recognised at these meets, and you know, I'm just really grateful that so many people do want to chat to me. But yeah, my beautiful girlfriend needs a loo, and we wasn't actually planning to stay up here very late this evening. Here's a pretty leery looking, more modern Fiesta. Love the colour. It's like Cadbury's purple. And just check out the riveted on wide arches. Really low front lip. I'm guessing this thing is sitting on air ride. But yeah, crazy build. Look at the ridiculously big wing on the back. Check this thing out. I'm guessing it's some sort of chaser. Might be wrong, but yeah, loving the sort of candy apple red paint. Really cool bad boy bonnet. Check out the interior. A pair of bucket seats and a Makita builder's radio. Love that.
I'll be like, hi to him, look at me and look away. It took him about 3 hours.
Awesome barge.
Last time, didn't it?
Love those rims are sitting on as well. The Mark II MR2 cruising past. One Fiesta. Hey. Yeah, that's the West London Classic Ford crew. Another VW camper. Check that out. Okay, you got to do a burnout before you leave Southend. It's the rules. It's the rules. We won't be invited back if you don't do a burnout.
Never mind.
Look, see, send it. All right, into a new day. Now, we ended up getting back from Southend the other evening at midnight, which definitely wasn't the plan, but it was a really cool evening nonetheless, checking out loads of cool cars and chatting to loads of really cool petrol heads. Shout out to everyone that I did chat to at Southend, and massive shout out and a thanks to the organisers of that car meet. I'm planning to go back to Southend for another car meet. I think it's in August, and I've heard that that one's going to be more of a classic car meet. So yeah, really looking forward to that. But yeah, Southend really is turning into a hot spot for car meets once again, just like it was years ago. So yeah, while we've still got the good weather and whilst the police are letting these events happen, I'd urge you all to get to Southend for a car meet at some point if you can. Now, before I go, got to send another congratulations to the 3 Petrolhead style competition winners. I will of course be getting your prizes out to you as soon as possible. As it happens, I'm wearing another Petrolhead style t-shirt today. This is the Cosy Power t-shirt, which is available at petrolheadstyle.com, along with all the other super cool car themed products. I'm actually thinking that the next design we're going to do is going to be a non-Ford, but it will be a cult classic. So yeah, jump on the mailing list at petrolheadstyle.com to be kept up to date with all future releases and to get discount codes and stuff that we send out to the mailing list subscribers. So if you thought this video was any good, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you could help spread the word of my channel by letting your friends know and sharing my stuff on your social media, I'd very much appreciate it. I will of course leave links to my social media in the description, along with a link to my website, and my email address is down there for anyone who wants to contact me. As always, massive thanks to my patrons for your ongoing support. But other than that, I'll chat to you guys in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.